Disable specific PCI device at boot. I've just reinstalled Debian on my Sony Vaio laptop, and my Mesk and virtual consoles all get spammed with the same messages over and over again. I believe these messages are coming from an internally connected USB device, most likely the webcam, since that's the only thing that doesn't work. The only way I can seem to have it shut up, without killing my actually useful USB ports, is to disable one of the USB host controllers. This also takes down my Bluetooth interface, but I'm fine with that. I would like this setting to persist, so that I can painlessly use my virtual console again in case I need it. I want my operating system, Debian AMD 64, to never wake it up, but I don't know how to do this. I've tried to blacklist the module alias for the PCI device, but it seems to be ignored. How do I ensure that this specific PCI device is never automatically activated, without disabling its driver altogether? Edit the module was renamed recently, now the following works from userland. Still, I'm looking for a way to stop the kernel from binding that device in the first place.
Found this thread on Ask Ubuntu. How do I turn off PCI devices? Using LSPCI to identify a device's PCI slot that you want to disable, it sounded like you could use this command to turn that slot's device off. When you already have echo 0000 column 00 column 1a.0 is greater than and /etc/rc.local for boot, then you just need to put it into a script for the power management daemon Oswell. Goes like this. Create an executable bash script file named 0_disable_webcam in directory /etc/pm/sleep.d/. It should work instantly. I tried it with an USB thumb drive and it worked, meaning it remained disabled, as long as the drive was plugged. Replugging would need UDEV rules, but since your webcam will not be unplugged, it should work. If that does not do the trick, I have another suggestion.
None of the answers solved my similar problem, but they did put me on the path to solving it. My syslog error. This is an internal USB hub port for a Bluetooth option I do not have. Unbind to the PCI device just resulted in the hub popping back up as another hub, 5 in my case, and flooding syslog further. By chance, I noticed an unbind structure under. Using examples above, I just added the following in rc.local. Result is syslog silence. Now to add Keurig's script example for power management and I should be golden.
You can remove a PCI device by adding a UDEV rule under etc to udevd rules.d. Replace 0000 column 00 column 03.0 with the PCI device address you want to remove.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.